So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lakshay. Today we will solve one of the leetcode SQL problem which is named as a rising temperature. So let's see what question is asking here. So in this question we are given three columns: ID, record date and temperature, which is having data type int, date and int. ID is the primary key for this table, and we have to write an SQL query to find all dates ID with higher temperature compared to its previous dates. Okay, and we have to return the result table in any order. Okay, let's see the input. So the input is like 4 rows are given to us and columns are ID, record date and temperature. And as we can see here, for the second row, this temperature is greater than the previous row, which is the first row, and also basically we have to find all the dates ID with higher temperature compared to its previous date. And you can see here it's a previous date and temperature is also higher than the previous date, so it will come as an output. This row will be a part of an output, but in the third case it is not the case. Basically temperature is less than the previous date temperature, but in the fourth row temperature is greater than the previous date temperature, so it will also comes as an output. So whenever we need to solve such question where we are comparing one row with another row in a same table, then one of the best possible way is to use a self join. Definitely we can solve in another way as well, but one of the best possible way is this one. Okay, let's start implementing this particular problem. Okay, so let's first of all select all the columns, and from weather let's give w1 only and join with weather only w2 on. Now this is an important condition, so here we need to write the two conditions. So here w1 is here I am taking as a previous date, and w2 is a current date I am taking here. So basically when after it's joined, so we can write here as w2 dot record date. Okay, so basically we have to subtract this record date with -1, and that should be equal to the previous record date. So in MySQL we can use a date subtract function here, w2 record date, and we can give here interval day, interval 1 day. This we can give here, and the second, basically this will subtract the record date, whatever the record date is there, with basically -1. So here if we mention 10, so it will subtract 10 basically from the current date, from this date, but basically it should be equal to w1 dot record date. Okay, and the other condition should be the temperature should be greater than the previous temperature. Okay, so here I am taking w2 as a current date and temperature, and w1 as a previous. Okay, let's run this part and see what we are getting here, and then we can further edit this query to get our desired result. So basically in this problem it is running for this particular test case, whatever is given input here in the question as well given as input, right? Okay, here it is mentioned unknown column name. Okay, we have given record date here. Let's see the output. Okay, 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 so we can see here we are getting 2 rows as an output. Let's see, to better visualize it, let me do it in this way. Okay, we can see here we are getting a 2 rows, which should be our desired row basically, but basically when we are joining, this part is the current record date and temperature, so this we need to print it out. So instead of star we can give here w2.id here, so that will give us a result. Let's comment this out and now let's run it and see if we are getting a correct result here. Okay, we are getting a correct result here. Okay, let's run it out for all the test cases and see if we are getting. Okay, we are getting a correct result and it is passing for all the test cases. Okay, so thanks a lot guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel to stay updated with the new video. Thank you.